Well, Marduk looks kinda lonely without her head, since it's inside and I'm waiting on a new Raspberry Pi camera ribbon. But in the meantime, I've also been doing a bit of a game jam with some friends on Discord. I'll probably make a little video about that for tomorrow. And I've also got a crazy idea. Because playing with the car battery and these linear actuators, I'm thinking that I could create a set of power armor using these linear actuators and switches I have for the pedals. But instead make the switches so they actuate whenever you move like your foot or your knee or your thigh. So making a power armor using Amazon linear actuators and a car battery and just switches, I think would be a pretty fun side project. I should be getting some of the components for that also when I get the Raspberry Pi cam ribbon. And I might just borrow Marduk's linear actuators to do a sort of little demonstration or whatever of it. So that'll be coming up probably in the next week while I do tweaks on Marduk and get her running picture perfect. I also think I could put a bungee in the shoulders to help have the arms swing forward. That way it'll be a lot easier. And also do a little trimming on the ceiling panels, because one of the main reasons that the arms can't swing as forward as I like is because the corner of the shoulders are, once again, hitting the ceiling. So, that's just the update on what's going on. So, if you enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, share with others, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.